How to restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll actually need to back up your WhatsApp. For that, open up your WhatsApp, head over to settings on the bottom right, then here you'll find chats option. Tap on that, and again there you'll find an option called chat backup. Tap on chat backup and start backing up your chat. So right here you can tap on backup. Mine is already backing up and it is taking quite a long time. So after the backup ends, what you can do is you can delete your WhatsApp completely. And if you try to again log back in, and if the device has your Apple ID, this very same Apple ID that you backed up your chat into, what will happen is you can just reinstall your WhatsApp. Then you'll get something like this. So whenever you're trying to set up your WhatsApp, you'll get this option where you can restore from cloud. Simply tap on restore chat from cloud and then your restore will begin on your WhatsApp. And yeah, that's basically how you can restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.